KLIF News Time is 7:17.
Man accused of shooting and killing one person and wounding several others at a Tennessee church has been charged with one count of murder. Metropolitan Nashville police tweeting last night that 25-year-old Emmanuel K. Sampson of Murfreesboro will be charged later with additional charges.
Will this latest act of violence prompt anti-gun activists to call for more gun control legislation? Joining us to talk about this is attorney Emily Taylor with U.S. Law Shield. Good morning, Emily.
Good morning.
So what are your thoughts on this?
It shocks me every time we have one of these incidences in what, traditionally can be, of course, it's not necessarily in Texas, a gun-free zone. And the gun control activists come back and say, well, here's the problem is that we need to increase gun control when, in fact, my understanding of this Tennessee event is that a legal gun owner actually was able to detain him and stop the killing until the police got there.
Yeah, I'm wondering, is this a non-starter at this point because of the politics of our time? We've got Republican, or whatever you want to call him, in the White House. At any rate, President Trump is a very strong supporter of gun rights. And then, of course, with the Republican Congress, have the gun restriction advocates kind of just sitting back and waiting, or what?
They are not in a strong position. You're right about that. However, I'm not quite sure what's going on, to be quite frank, because we do have, with a Republican-dominated legislature and, of course, a gun advocate as president, we do actually have 3 very strong pro-Second Amendment bills filed in Congress right now, but they're stalled. So, the gun control advocates don't seem to be making much progress, but the pro-gun people are not doing very much to push their bills through.
Investigators say the suspect is a legal resident of the U.S., not a citizen. What do you think this could do for immigration reform? Anything?
That's a little bit beyond my wheelhouse. I'm a criminal defense attorney. I'm a gun lawyer and a gun advocate. It certainly is going to stoke the fires that are already burning, I think.
All right. Emily, thank you very much for giving us a couple minutes of your time this morning. We appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right. There's Emily Taylor, an attorney with U.S. Law Shield.